નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.
Dear student friends, let's move ahead in the fourth lesson, supplementary lesson number 4, a question of trust. We are in the last end. We are at last, very near to the end. And the end is really surprising. One more thing I'll tell you. કહેવાય છે કે ચોર જે છે ને એ કંઈક ને કંઈક એક વસ્તુ જે છે ને એ સુરાગ પોતાનો છોડીને જ જાય છે. The police department is responsible to find out that what he left for all of us. This is what the end of this story. But this end of the story is matchless, really matchless. Why is it so? Because the climax of the story we have already seen. A landlord lady met him. She had been to top. She came down, having listened, sneezing of that thief, Horace Downby. Now we are moving ahead. He wanted to leave from there, any cost, anyhow. And now, what she is doing, what she is saying to the thief, Horace Downby. Horace Downby is able to escape from there or not? That is the main question for all of us. She was silent and she was watching him closely. Then she said, "You are really afraid of going to the prison." બહુ ડરે છે ને જેલમાં જતા. Aren't you? You are so frightening. Correct? She came over to him, reached very near to him, shaking her hair. I have always liked the wrong kind of people, because you are a thief. And I like such kind of people, those who are wrong. Lady આવું બોલે છે? Yes. The same lady, young lady, beautiful lady, in red color, speaks the same wordings for Horace Downby. She picked up a silver box from the table and took a cigar from it. You see, she is taking cigar. She is taking cigar from a silver box. Think all these things, how that lady would be. Horace eager to please her. Now Horace wants to leave it so that what he should be ready to please her. Flattery, butter supply, any cost, anyhow he should come out. That was his requirement. Seeing that she might help him, took off his gloves. He put out his gloves from his hand and gave her his cigarette lighter. If you like, have this cigarette lighter and light your cigar with this lighter. This is what, you see, he is ready to establish friendly relation with that landlord lady. "You will let me go?" He held the lighter towards her habit and asked, "Will you let me go? I want to escape from here. You should allow me." "Yes, but only if you will do something for me. But one favor you have to Yes, one favor you have to make for me. And what is that favor? Horace told me, anything whatsoever you will say, I'll move ahead with that. Before we left for London, now she is saying her condition. Actually, we went to London, but before we leave from here to London, at that time, I promised my husband to take my jewels to our bank. Bank ni andar aapne rakhe chhe locker. He'll keep our ornaments over there. But I left them here in the safe, but I forgot it. I kept it here only. I want to wear them to a party tonight. Today there is a party at night, and I want to wear all the jewels, all the ornaments, what I left over here in the same safe. So I came down to get them out, but dot is there. It means she was about to speak something, and from there only Horace started in between. Horace smiled, and you have forgotten the number to open the safe, haven't you? Aren't you? Haven't you? These all are the question tags. All the sentences are for the question tag. When we'll move ahead with the same, you will come to know. But this thing you will keep it in your mind. These all are the examples for question tag. She replied, the young lady replied, yes, correct, exact correct. I forgot the number. And now I want to open it. I want to get that jewelry back. I want to wear it in today's night party. If you will make favor for me, I will allow you to go from here. Just leave it to me, and you will have them within an hour. एक कलाक में बड़ी वस्तु मैनेज कर देश. Horace told to that young lady. But I will have to break your safe. तोड़ भी पड़શે भाई. तोड़ा बिना नहीं થાય. શું કરવું છે? જલ્દી કહી દો. Don't worry about that. My husband won't be here for a month. एक महीना સુધી તો મારા husband અહીં આવવાનું નથી. કન્ફર્મ છે. Then I will have the safe mended by that time. Meanwhile, mended, repaired. तो repair થઈ જશે. And no one will come to know any fact based on this. What I did, what you did. Pakka, and you will be allowed to go from here. Deal confirm. No problem. Then what happened? And within an hour, Horace had opened the safe, given her the jewels, and gone happily away. Tata. I don't know anything, you don't know anything. I managed your work, now you manage for me. You allowed me to go away from here. Deal is over now. The end starts now. This is the thing from where the end starts, and this end is really matchless, unexpected. What we cannot expect, that unexpected end is here in this very fantastic end. For 2 days he kept his promise to the kind young lady. I will not say anything else to you. You will not say anything else to me. This was the deal. 2 days over. On the morning of the third day started. However, he thought of the books he wanted, and he knew he would have to look for another safe. ઓલા માં તો આપણે પકડાઈ ગયા. નવી બુક્સ તો મળશે નહીં. What to do? Let's go for another robbery. ચાલો એક નવી ચોરી કરીએ. So that only I can get the money. So that only I can purchase the book. Otherwise I would not be able to purchase it. What should I? That's a question. ચાલો એક નવી રોબરી કરીએ. But he never got the chance to begin his plan. આ થયું જ નહીં. નવી રોબરી કરવી હતી ન થઈ તો શું થયું? By noon, a policeman had arrested him for the jewel robbery at the Shotover Grange. હવે નક્કી ઓલી લેડી જે છે ને ગદ્દારી કરી ભાઈ. She would have told it to the police department. Let's go ahead. What happened? His fingerprints for he had opened the safe without the clothes were all over the room. Same fingerprint on the safe, on the room, everywhere. Police department found. And what shoot you? He is the main person who robbed the safe. And no one believed him when he said that the wife of the owner of the house had asked me to open the safe for her. મારો વાંક નથી તો કોનો વાંક છે? Landlord lady only told me to open it. I opened it. What's my fault? મારો ક્યાં વાંકી ગુનો છે? એણે મને કીધું, મેં કહ્યું, હું શું કરું? કેવી હતી લેડી? Young lady in red dress, so pretty, so young, with sharp tongue. મેં યાર વાતો કરી હતી. Twisted head. The wife herself in grey hair, real one. Sharp-tongued woman of 60, only to young હતી ને. The real one is of 60. Duplicate. Am I real ne duplicate? This is the end. Of 60 said that the story has nonsense. મારે શું કામ કહેવું જોઈએ ભાઈ? મારું ઘર છે, મારી ચાવી છે, મારી સેફ છે. Why should I need help of others? The entire story is nonsense story. મારે આવી કોઈ જરૂરિયાત જ નથી. Horace is now the assistant librarian in the prison. પછી શું થયું? This sentence itself shows that ચાલો મામાની ઘરે in jail. And in jail, Horace was a librarian because he was used to have new books for reading. Here also he got the same chance. And he was a librarian in jail. This is the punishment to Horace done. He often thinks of the charming, clever young lady who was in the same profession as he was. That young lady cheated me in a right way. I thought she is the owner. She was not the owner. She was also a thief. I thought I made a compromise with her. She cheated me. The real landlord lady is not young one. She is of 60 and with grey hair. This is the fact. And who tricked him, cheated. Easily tricked him. Bow easily. Cheat karin jati rahi. He gets very angry when anyone talks about him. Honor among thieves. Honor among thieves means who is an expert thief. He was cheated by a young, pretty lady And so that he is very, very angry if someone asks him about the honor among Theos. Got the idea? In this way, we have completed our fourth lesson, a question of trust, in this way. If you want to write anything else from here, I will give you time to write anything else what you want from here. One more thing I'll tell you. This is a fantastic story. Listen all the videos together. You will enjoy this story like anything. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.